Hey guys, I'm Shazib and you're watching DBZ Manga Show. Dragon Ball Super Manga Chapter 62 is officially in history books. The question begins, are our heroes is prepared to fight their lives against unstoppable Moro? Or our heroes find the way to turn the odd into their fate? Or are they prepared to stand against Moro? Or Moro will annihilate everyone? So once more, we begin. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click on the bell icon given below to never miss any upload regarding to Dragon Ball Super and Dragon Ball Super manga. So guys, in the last chapter, Goku didn't save his stamina and gave his everything. Still ended up on the ground and Vegeta's new technique worked. But then Moro fused with 73 and got a new form. How will they fight Moro? Now he's stronger than ever. As we kick off Dragon Ball Super Chapter 62, Edge of Defeat. Only 4 of them are standing against Moro, Piccolo, Goku, Gohan and Jakku. Then, suddenly, Piccolo passes a command to Moro. Has 7-3's power has been added to your strength? Moro replies, indeed. Then, Goku also replies, good, it's one thing after another thing with this guy. Suddenly, Vegeta turns into a Super Saiyan Evolution Blue and fly off into the sky. Everyone cried, Vegeta! When Moro sees into the sky. Then Vegeta said, is that so? I will tear you apart once again. Then Vegeta started attacking Moro and Moro just dodged Vegeta's attack and Vegeta hit into a cliff. Then again, Vegeta came out to the cliff and started attacking Moro in the sky. But Moro was just dodging and just replies, your new technique requires to inflict damage first. Yes, I would not make the same mistake twice. Vegeta replies, damn it! Piccolo comments, right, he will be back to his former strength if we run out the clock. Then Gohan cried, Vegeta! And said he might have absorbed 7-3's abilities but the rule says it only lasts 30 minutes. Moro replied, ha ha ha, this power has returned home. There is no limit time. In fact, Vegeta was attacking Moro, but suddenly Moro grabs Vegeta's neck and everyone becomes shocked. Vegeta cried, unhand me! Ah! And Moro said, I have gained his copy ability. Vegeta said, what's going on? In Moro's hand, we are watching a circle in which Vegeta's picture. Then Gohan comments, Moro, that's come. Did he just copy Vegeta? Then Goku asks, what's this copy thing you keep talking about? Gohan answers, 7-3 could copy a person's ability by grabbing their neck. Abilities, huh? Then Gohan said, and I think he managed to copy Vegeta. Then Moro started attacking Vegeta with his abilities. And Vegeta became injured and bleeding from nose, mouth and from his forehead. Then Moro fly up in the sky and said, Big Bang Attack. Isn't that what you call it, Vegeta? Gohan shocked and said, that's Vegeta move. And Moro start attack that blast. And a great explosion happens. And said, Vegeta. Moro said, was that supposed to impressive one? Such a grandiose name for such a ordinary ki blast. Vegeta is completely injured. Then Piccolo said, this is worse than we realized. If he's got Vegeta's ability, that means he can use Force Spirit Fusion. You guys always had the fusion dust, the Buddha Eye Rings, and other means of combining as last resorts, but those would be rendered useless now. Goku shocked. Back on the Earth, on the Sensu's tower, Bulma was talking in a computer. Whoa, Vegeta! Then the pigmen said on the Earth, but now they have got no one left who can fight. And then they said, I can go and resort their energy. Huh? You are gonna fly down there yourself? Bulma asked. Dandy, are you sure about that? Isn't that way too risky? Dandy said, probably, but as Earth's god, I can't just sit back and do nothing. Then Dandy said, Aska, Mr. Popo, take care of things here. Aska said, Dandy. Popo said, be careful, Kami-sama. Then Dandy arrives, and there we are watching Krillin. I damn it. I hope I make it in time. Not good, not good. Everyone's key signatures keep getting smaller. If only I were given Goku some senzu beans before we split. After the Vegeta, Gohan and Piccolo start fighting with Moro. Moro was keep dodging the attacks of Piccolo and Gohan. He gave Ki Blast to Gohan and injured Gohan. Then suddenly Piccolo grabs the leg of Moro. Hey, you haven't realized that I'm keeping you alive? You people are my meal. I won't let go even if you kill me, Piccolo said. While Piccolo and Moro was talking, Gohan charged a disc which grabs Moro tightly. Gohan said, nice, and Piccolo comments, unleash. Now Goku charged his Kamehameha attack and unleashed it on Moro. After the completing Ki Blast, Moro just loses his one hand. Moro keep moving close to Goku, and after that he make a hole in the chest of Goku by having his arm back. Goku turns back into his base form. Gohan, Piccolo, Jakku, everyone shocked when Moro make a hole in the chest of Goku and killed him. Moro passed a comment, yes, Piccolo's regeneration. Did I fail to mention that? The abilities 7-3 copied are now mine forever with no pesky time limits. Gohan screams, Dad! And Goku fall on the land. And Moro passes a comment, don't go dying on me just yet. I need to devour your energy before you pass on. That was the point of all this. But suddenly Gohan punched on Moro's head and kicked on his chest, but Moro didn't have any scratch. But Moro gave a one punch on Gohan's chest and he fell down by bleeding from his mouth. Then Moro passed command to Piccolo. It seems that CM received a power boost when it raised, but hardly enough to fill the attachment between us. Then Piccolo said, damn you. But suddenly, Piccolo got a telepathy message from Dandy. Dandy said, Piccolo, I've headed your way. Then Piccolo said, is that you, Dandy? But Moro was also hearing that conversation between Piccolo and Dandy. Then Dandy said, yes, if nothing else, I can restore everyone's energy. Then Piccolo shot, and said, stop Dandy, no more telepathy. Then Moro passed a comment, I see another of your Namekian's abilities. Then Piccolo said, damn it. Keep away, Dandy. He was listening in. Then Jakku said, listening? Dandy? Restoring energy, he said. The Namekian moving toward us has such an ability. Then Piccolo said, curse you. Then Moro passed the command. Such a being could hardly pose a threat, but Moro blast in the sky and make a shield around the area where is a battle going on. Moro passed a command that barrier should keep out any unwanted nuisance and prevent you from escaping. Then Jakku said, As Dandy came close to the fighting area to see the shields and said, what? What is this? Then Krillin also see that. Oh, come on, what is it this time? And in the battlefield, Moro attack on Piccolo and Jaco. Piccolo and Jaco crash into cliffs. And suddenly, number 17 and 18 start attack on Moro, but Moro shoot them out. And they both injured. And then Piccolo said to Jaco, "Sorry, Jaco, for roping you into Earth's battle. Knock it off." Moro broke out of our prison, and beside Earth it is my jurisdiction. If this planet's doomed to die, then it's my duty to go down with the ship. Piccolo said, "Oh yeah? Then I won't feel as bad about this." Jaco said, Then Piccolo started charging his ki blast. And Jaco said, "What's going on, buddy?" Then Piccolo replies, "That barrier is a blessing in disguise, since it will keep any destruction contained. There will be nothing left in here when I'm done." The Jaco said, "Blowing yourself up? Could Ja hold up for a minute? I haven't made my peace." But before Piccolo done his work, a special beam cannon from Moro attacked Piccolo and Piccolo died. Then Moro said, "No more nonsense from you, okay? Just lie there." Jaco said, "Piccolo." Then Moro asked, "And now you are the only one left, Galactic Patrol." And there is Goku is dead, Piccolo is dead, and Gohan, number 17, 18 and Vegeta were injured very badly, and there is no one who stand against Moro, just except Jaco. But on the roof of the shield, "This is awful," Dandy said. "I was completely useless. I could not defend the planet or help anyone." But a hole made in the shield, and Dandy enters the area of the battle. The barrier just opened up? This isn't over yet. God of Earth, an angel come and start. "It's you, huh?" Now Jaco is standing against Moro. "Stay back, I'm warning you," Jaco said. "To be blunt, I have zero interest in your life energy. Such a small portion, and probably foul tasting, which means I have no need to keep you alive. Farewell." But before Moro attacked, Jaco attacked from his beam gun. Buzz! Ops come back, but there's not one shot. There are two one. Say what? Did I do that? But Moro has didn't a scratch on him. You unmuted that shot with your own energy? Oh, Agent Mirrors, but you aren't really Galactic Patrol, are you? So guys, next chapter will hit on August 20, 2020. If you like our video, then please give a like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.